So I want you to check something right now under your YouTube studio. Now, have you discovered that your channel is not growing? Your videos are not getting views, you are not getting subscribers? Then you need to go to your YouTube analytics and check these 5 features, which I actually want to share with you today. If these 5 features are not working well for you, definitely your channel is not growing. People are not discovering your videos. YouTube is not recommending your videos. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to your YouTube analytics and check under overview. Check your real time. Are people watching your videos in the last 48 hours? The videos you have uploaded previously, are they generating views for you? If they are not generating views for you, definitely your channel is not growing, your videos is not visible, people are not seeing your content, because the videos you have uploaded previously is supposed to be generating views for you. That is why you need to check your real time to know whether your channel is growing or not. I'm going to share with you how you can actually correct this. Again, how did viewers find your videos? Check under content, how viewers find your videos. It is very, very important for your videos to be found under suggested video. It is very, very important for your videos to be recommended by YouTube. And also, are your videos being discovered under YouTube search, external link, end screen, or content suggesting your videos? If all these things are not working well for you, definitely something is wrong with your YouTube settings and also your videos upload. Now, how viewers find your videos is very, very important. Again, check the content suggesting your videos. The content that is currently suggesting your videos, are they related with your niche? Because if you are publishing videos under motivation or under how to or under education, or let me say under vlog gaming, and the likes of channel that is publishing news articles are now the ones suggesting your videos, you should know that it is the wrong audience that will be watching your videos or will be seeing your videos, and they will not click it, because the content that's supposed to suggest you are not the one you optimize for. That's why you need YouTube SEO, which I'm going to share with you how you can really optimize your video so that the content that will be suggesting your videos will be the audience you targeted. That is very, very important. Again, have you checked your YouTube search term, how people search content or videos and how your videos is being discovered, the kind of keyword they are typing that is suggesting your content? Then if you see the keyword people are typing and it's different from the way your content is, definitely something is wrong, which you have to correct again today. Now, have you checked your external sites, or let me say external link, that is currently suggesting your videos? If your videos are not being suggested by Google, if they are not being suggested by Yahoo and also by YouTube search, definitely something is wrong with how you have created your channel and how you have optimized your videos for views. Again, playlist features. Playlist features is very, very important, and these are some of the ways YouTube actually recommend videos through playlist. Are they recommending you? Have you get enough data so that all these things can really display? Now, these are some of the things I actually want to share with you today, which you have to listen to, because if these things are not working well for you, your videos cannot get view. YouTube cannot recommend your videos. Now, the first thing I want you to do is how viewers find your videos. Go and optimize your channel. Go to your channel keywords under your settings and optimize the channel keywords. I told you the first keywords should be the name of your channel. Any other keywords should be the way people are searching your content, the way people are searching the content that is related with the videos you are making. This is how you can get your content to be searchable under suggested videos, or under YouTube search and other end screen and any other platform like that. This is how you can optimize your channel, because the way viewers are finding your channel, finding your videos, it depends on how your channel is being recommended. So these settings, this key channel keyword settings, is what we actually make these things to work perfectly for you. And again, the content suggesting your videos, I think this one is very, very important. Now, what you need to do is, whenever you are uploading your videos, the title is very important, the description is very important, and again, the keywords, let me say the tags under your tags, is very, very important. This thing, if you did not optimize it very well, then your videos cannot be suggested with the kind of content you are making or with your competitors. So your title must be built around your YouTube SEO. That is how people are searching your content. Your title must be built around it. Your descriptions must be well written, and again, your tags, input the tags, how people are searching the kind of content you have made, input it inside the tags. This is how the viewers can actually find you, and this is how another content that is related with your niche can really suggest your videos. These things are very, very important. Do not ignore it. And again, the YouTube search term is very, very important, because when you have updated your all these things I have said initially, then the way they will be searching your content will be related with the kind of title you have written, the kind of descriptions you have written, the kind of tags you have input into your channel. So this is how people will be searching your content, and they will be discovering your videos. And again, external link. How can you optimize your videos so that people who are on Google, who are on YouTube, and also who are on Yahoo Mail can easily find your videos? Is when you go to Google, there is a search bar there. You can search. Yes, you can search. Like, let me say you want to search how to get views on YouTube. Just search it. You will see different keywords. Even though Google, if you scroll down, you will see Google telling you that people also search this kind of keywords. You can input it into your videos. You can use it to optimize your descriptions, optimize your tags, so that your videos can easily get views under Google and under your email. These things are very important, which you are ignoring. And again, uh, playlist actually suggesting your videos. If they are not suggesting your videos, definitely you have taken this thing very lightly. Anytime you upload your videos, you don't even organize it. You don't put your videos under playlist. It's very, very important. When your videos are not well organized, then you are missing these features, because playlist equally suggest videos to viewers. So if you are not doing this today, I think you need to check everything. Check how viewers find your videos, check content suggesting your videos, check YouTube search term, check external link, and check playlist features. These things are very, very important. These are ways you can easily get views in the last 48 hours under your real time. So if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, make a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.